This is Hayden laughing at me because he puked on all the burp cloth. This is the last one and he puked all over it. Oh, bless you! Sneezed all over Mommy after puking all over Mommy. What's next? I don't even want to know. You're in a good mood. Oh, are you going to poop on me now? Huh? Say hi. Say, I'm Hayden and I'm super cute. Even when you do that. Oh, look at that chin. Look at those chins. You're so silly. You're so silly. Look at your little toes. Oh, little toes. And I feel poop now. That's great. That's great. Thank you. Thank you, Hayden. Is that funny? Is that funny? You're so silly. I love you.